Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Starlink app and update firmware, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, locate the App Store on your device. For iOS devices, open the Apple App Store. For Android devices, launch the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Starlink to find the official app. Once you see the Starlink app, tap on it to open the download page. Press the Install button to download the app to your device. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the app is installed, find the app icon on your home screen. Tap the Starlink app icon to open it. You may need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your Starlink terminal. After connecting, check for any notifications regarding firmware updates. If an update is available, tap on the notification or go to the Settings menu. Select the option for firmware updates. Follow the prompts to download and install the latest firmware. Make sure your device remains connected to the internet during this process. Once the firmware update is complete, the app will notify you. You can now explore the features of the Starlink app. Ensure the app is regularly updated for optimal performance. This concludes your installation and firmware update process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.